Probably the biggest step forward in skin resurfacing over the past 20 or 30 years is something called fractionated laser resurfacing. Now, we've always used lasers, or we have done for the last 30 or 40 years, to burn off the top of the skin, to resurface the skin to try and get rid of wrinkles. We've used other techniques, dermabrasion, where essentially you are almost sandpapering the top of the skin off, or chemical peels, where you are again with a controlled burn but burning the top of the skin off and allowing it to heal from underneath. Now, we've always been able to get pretty good results by doing that, but the problem has been is that it takes a long time to heal, particularly if you go deep, and if you want a good result you have to go deep, and the complication rates have been very high. Complications such as hypopigmentation, where your skin fails to suntan or it looks rather pale, or hyperpigmentation, where your skin actually goes brown. Scarring has also been quite a common feature of these kind of techniques. Now, the great thing about fractionated lasering is we've taken what was the gold standard of skin resurfacing, which is CO2 laser resurfacing, and we've learnt to fractionate that, which is like almost firing it through a sieve, which means that with a fractionated CO2 laser, we can treat 2,000 or 3,000 little areas of your skin and leave uninjured areas of skin in between all those small zones. All wounds heal from side to side. So the great thing about it is, rather than taking 2, 3 or 4 weeks to heal, you heal in 2 or 3 days. You are left with red skin, and that brand new red, fresh looking skin usually settles down within a week or so. The redness has considerably faded by the end of that week, and you're left with just a fresh, natural looking glow, like you've been out in the wind or had a light sunburn. If you'd had a more traditional way of laser resurfacing, you'd probably take 2 or 3 weeks to heal, you'd be red for 3 to 6 months, and the risks of complications are actually very high. The end result of the fractionated CO2 laser resurfacing is as good a result as the best we could ever have got with a standard traditional CO2.